Welcome to the Jett family farm. My name's Harley.
I'm Leah.
I'm Cooper.
I'm Brad.
These are our chickens.
Hey guys, some of them are common, some of them are wild.
How did we get started with chickens?
Our 4-H instructor, Hunter Romano, started us.
All right. So Harley is not a big fan of chickens.
Yeah, I am afraid of chickens, but I do love some good fried eggs.
We also have a flock of sheep because a flock of sheep is 3. So meet our sheep.
Sheep is Piper. This is Piper.
This one is my show sheep, and her name is Precious. This one, she was a bottle baby, and her name is Penelope.
And Penelope is like a puppy dog.
She is.
We hope to grow our sheep farm in the near future. Hopefully by this time next year we will have a huge flock. We also have 2 dogs.
This is Lefty, and the black one's Bowser. He's a border collie.
We have a
And
boot.
Lefty is a blue heeler.
She's a girl. This is a girl. She's a sorrel. And this is a buckskin. And that one's my horse. This one's my sister's old horse. And he's a buckskin.
Yep.
And his name is Spirit. This one's a Palomino. He is Roper. And this is my dad's horse.
So these are our horses, and well, they really do like people.
Harley, let's get out of here.
They love Cooper. So Cooper's basically the horseman. He's just the person who deals with the horses.
This is Lady. She is a black Angus, nosy Rosie. Say hi. Lady is Harley's show calf. She was born in February at my mother's in Clintwood, where we keep the rest of our cows. And her birth was a little bit traumatic, so Mommy wouldn't take her, and she has been here since. And she's a little bit spoiled. Lady. Lady. Say hi.